artists, we're back. I hope you've had a nice vacation and you're ready for more online school and for more art time with Mr. Gabe. What we're going to aim for is to really do to make a picture that has this really cool optical illusion effect. So we're going to use markers and pencil shading as well at the very end to create that effect. And one thing I forgot to say as I was making this picture, but I want to say now, is look at how the lines of the marker are always going in the same direction. Alright, so be careful to do the same when you make your picture, because that really adds to this effect of everything moving downwards into the picture, like that. The lines of the marker really add to that effect. If they were going the other way, or if they were just random in all directions, it wouldn't be as good. Alright, let's get started. So let's begin with a square in the center of the page. If you want to, you can use rulers and really make this like a super tidy square, or you can measure the sides, make sure it's a true square, but it's okay if you don't as well. That looks about right. You're going to extend a line from the corner of the square, not to the corner of the page. Alright, look at how I draw this line. Alright, about there. Now imagine another line. We want to take this line to the same height. Again, if you feel better using rulers, just use a ruler at this stage. Similar kind of thing at the bottom here. Okay, so next thing is to continue drawing squares, and at the start they're going to be quite close together. Next one is going to be a little bit further away, and again, next one further away still. I think probably the next one would be the side of the page, so let's just put a line here to meet that one. Does that make sense to you guys? So the line going around the outside would be the edge of the page there. Alright, now next thing we're going to do is take one side at a time. We're going to make smaller squares along each side. Now we're going to create a kind of like a figure at the bottom of our optical illusion. So we're going to use a black marker on the bottom square here, and I'm going to just draw around my figure first, and draw around the edge of the shape too. So the rest of the squares are going to be coloured with two different colours. They're going to be alternating colours. Alright, so I'm going to start. I've chosen a blue and an orange, so they're quite different. Blue and orange are contrasting colours. So yeah, doesn't have to be these two, but would be a good choice. Alright, so the final touch is to add this extra layer of shadow with a pencil, a colour pencil. It can be black, but it could also be another dark colour. So I have this dark blue. It works just as well. Depends on the colours that you've chosen for your picture. So you could, you know, it might be like a dark purple or a brown maybe. Depends on your colours. You can choose. Doesn't have to be black. Doesn't have to be dark blue. Whatever. One last thing to do is erase the pencil from inside my figure here. Forgot to do that earlier. And there is my completed optical illusion picture. So hope you have fun making yours, and of course don't forget to share your work so that I can see it. Looking forward to seeing your work, everybody.